Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This video is a giveaway video and I'm giving away the Nokia 5.4, a budget Nokia phone. This video is not sponsored at all. This wasn't given to me. I actually bought this with my own hard-earned money. Just got back from Argos, spent £159.99 on the Nokia 5.4. So I want to get one thing clear. To enter this competition, you need to go on Twitter and follow me. That's it basically. Once you've followed me, come back to this video and comment down that you've done that, including your Twitter handle or Twitter username as well. And I will be picking the winner in 2 weeks' time, and the winner will be announced on Twitter. If you're someone who doesn't want their social media accounts named out there or announced that they've won, then do not enter. I have to announce the winners. Previous winners before have asked me not to announce their names, and obviously some people have messaged me saying, oh, why haven't you announced the names, blah, 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 scams. I don't do scam giveaways. This is a great opportunity to win the Nokia 5.4. You can check my unboxing out as well up there for the 5.4. It's a decent budget smartphone with a strong camera for still images. Video and stuff is a little bit iffy, but it's a nice entry-level smartphone for someone. Okay, so to enter, just go over to Twitter and follow me. I'll include my Twitter link in the description below. If you're already on Twitter and you already follow me, then just comment in this video with your Twitter handle. So I will announce the winner on Valentine's Day, February 14th, a Valentine's present from me to you. Yeah. So yeah, best of luck guys. I'll include a little information or instructions on what to do in the description below as well. But yeah, thanks very much for watching guys. Good luck and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.